Happy Thanksgiving! So, yesterday, we gave you some previews of our Thanksgiving dinner. I am standing in front of the crock pot for which I cooked my greens overnight. I would like you to see the big reveal. But first, I must get my tongs because we're interactive. So, first we shall open the top to look at my greens. Ah, sucking. Look at that. Look at that. Then you put the top down and stir it around. Look at that. Tell me that don't look juicy. Ooh, the steam is getting on my camera, child. I got some turkey in there. As you saw on the pictures. Got some onions. And some red peppers. And some seasonings to make it delightful. So, this is one of the components of our delicious Thanksgiving dinner. Stay tuned for the turkey. All right, y'all. I am starting my cooking early. And what you see here are ingredients. You may ask, what is she making? And FYI, I always play club music when I'm cooking. It helps me keep my pace. So I am making a different kind of lasagna. I am using raviolis because I am lazy to a degree. I don't want to have to boil noodles. So, these are the ingredients. Stay tuned for the outcome. I guarantee it's gonna be yummy. My father would say, I don't want that food. I want regular food. Stay tuned.